everyone.
Hi.
We are here with a special friend mail unbagging. We received this friend mail from Aussie Collection in Australia. His name is Greg. You all might see him in our lives. He comes in and chats with us. Really great guy. He sent us a little gift. Wanted to make sure we got it. There was a little bit of shipping issue there when he sent it out the first time. It got sent back, so he reshipped it out, and we just got back today from Alabama on our little trip down there to have an adventure, which it was quite the adventure. And
I kept the house alive.
she kept Hank alive.
And me.
And honey.
And herself,
Honey.
yeah.
I only killed the plant. My bad.
Well, shit happens.
But well, at least she kept the important things alive, like living,
Yeah.
walking, talking creatures. But yeah, so we just got back, and this was waiting on me when we got back, so I figured we would open this up and let everybody see what was in here. I've already sliced it open.
Because we were confused on what it was, and then I remembered.
So we've already sliced it open. It came with a nice little card, and a nice little picture of a koala with a parrot on its back, a couple birds on its back. Really cute. Love that card. He's just thanking us for bringing the love of diamond painting into his life, and we do hope to come see you too, Greg. We really do. I'm gonna say, he said sending a little gift to say thank you, and we would say thank you to you for the little gift. I don't know what the gift is yet. We haven't unwrapped them. We just left them in the package.
Do you want to go over that right quick?
It does have a little pamphlet for Soul Haven Diamond Dot classes. We have Diamond Dot kits available, starting at $10. They have art workshops, and they do macrame and succulent art and block mounting and cupcake decorating and acrylic paint pouring. So if any of y'all are in Australia, near there, I don't know exactly where that's at in Australia. It says 9 Holloway Road in South Nowra. So I suppose if any of you are near there, check it out.
Mm-hmm. Okay, which one do you want?
I guess I'm going to go with the blue one because you got the pink one.
Okay.
Pink is not my color. Let's find out what's in this.
That's not what you said last night.
Oh my god.
I'm kidding.
Man, you wrapped them good though.
Yes, very well wrapped. Whatever they are, I'm sure they survived transit across the big pond, whichever big pond it came from.
Good gravy.
Hey, we got a lot of paper here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, and they got our names on them.
They what are they?
They're little tray holders. They're little.
That is frickin' awesome.
That is awesome. You can put your little green tray in there, and it's kind of angled so that you can.
I got one.
Yes. And it's got a little place for your wax.
I love it. That is so cute.
That is awesome, Greg. Thank
I
you.
know where you got that.
Yeah.
Because I want one.
They're wooden. They are wood.
I like that.
That is so cool.
I love it. I'm definitely going to be using mine.
Greg, you're going to have to let me know where you got those, and I'm going to have to put it in the
where he got
description.
them
Yeah,
from.
maybe that is where he got them. I don't know.
That is rock on.
That is so
Love
cool.
it.
They're like wooden, and they're layered. Like they're thin strips of wood layered. Like you can kind of see it there. Yeah.
Maybe.
This is like what they use. Like a lot of hobbyists use these for the little shelves for their paint bottles and stuff.
Gotcha.
And you can it's really solid, thick wood. It's there. You can tell it's layers.
Is it Hank proof?
I'm sure it is. It's wood.
Let's see.
Like he can't throw it off on the
Oh
floor.
well, I'm sure he can.
He could probably step on it. It's not flipping it.
But if he just took his paw and whacked it, yeah.
He can whack it, yeah.
Nothing is Hank proof.
Well, yeah, I know that. You know what?
I love that.
Funny little thing. He came up here and he went like this and he went, bloop,
Little turd.
looked right at me. Floop.
Flip your whole tray over.
Yep. I said, oh yeah?
But now, yeah, the tray, Hank isn't going to flip the tray out of there.
Mm-hmm.
But but he can push this off the desk.
That was just an FYI.
Those are so cool.
FYI for pet owners.
Oh, I'm sure everybody's
I
had
like
their
that.
cat flip a tray on them.
Oh yeah. I said, is that all you got?
So yeah, if you
That's
can
awesome.
let me know, Greg, did these come from the place that's listed
We'll have to
there?
message him in a minute and add it in our description.
Yeah,
But these are awesome. I love it.
I would so do that.
that is great.
I'm definitely gonna be using it. I wonder if he made them.
Yeah, or did you make them? Yeah. That's really cool. The engraving is so nice.
It is.
That is awesome. Oh, look, somebody does love you.
Somebody could
We do.
be-
We had the best fans.
We do. Not fans, family.
Yes, they are family.
Tribal.
So thank you so much, Greg. We will put these to good use.
I would definitely use mine.
And
I love it.
yeah,
If
love
she
it.
doesn't, I will.
Right? Here's the size comparison next to the pink pen. That's how small they are. But they're perfect.
They're about
I
the
love
size
them.
of a typical phone, like an
There's
iPhone.
the minis.
Yeah, there's
Here's the
the Archer's big one.
Archer's big one. Yeah, they're about the size of the big one. Yeah.
They're definitely not this size. That's a big mess.
Yeah, they're probably about the size of a smaller iPhone.
No, here's my Samsung Galaxy
Here's my
Note.
Galaxy Android
Pretty much the same size.
with anyway. The phone's a little
Yeah.
bigger, but yeah.
Yep,
Cool.
yep. Oh, sorry.
Amber's road weary.
Yeah, we both are.
I bet you Dave really is. He
I'm
can only
tired.
drive
I slept the whole way here, minus a couple potty breaks, and I'm still freaking tired. It's because of that Dramamine.
Well, that and it's just been a long, busy week too.
I get car sick.
You're
so I
winding
get
down
sick.
from a long, busy week.
So.
Yes, y'all, we went to Alabama. We went apartment hunting. We went and saw her kids. And we went and saw my kids and grandkids. Finally got to see all 4 of my kids in the same place at the same time, which was really awesome. So, yeah, we had a great time.
I fit in very well.
We think we found a place down there. We're waiting to hear back. Probably by the time this video is... Well, no, it won't be by the time this video is uploaded because I can do that here in the next few minutes. But probably by the time we go live this Sunday...
Yes, there will be a lot.
Yes, there will be a live. We apologize. We were out of town. We could have gone live. We took everything with us, but it just conditions weren't right. Sunday night we were in a very noisy environment. It was my daughter's birthday. Well, on a Sunday we worked on the car all day. Sunday, me and my son and his father-in-law worked on the car all day, but Saturday was like really loud, noisy. It was a big party for my daughter's birthday, and the Sunday before that, we were in a hotel room we didn't take any lighting with us, and the lighting in that hotel room
Diamond
was
dot.
horrible.
Busy.
Diamond
Let 'em
dot
lie.
tray holder.
They
So,
were busy.
so we just didn't go live because it just wouldn't have been good quality. So,
Did you hear me?
what's that?
Diamond dot tray holder.
They're diamond dot tray holders. Yep.
That's what the description is
Yeah.
that he said.
That's pretty damn cool.
All right, so thank you very much, Greg, and we will see you all again on Sunday night when we go live at our normal time. So until then, rock on, y'all.
Toodles!